Alright, welcome back to the class. Now in this video we are going to be looking at the LEN function, the LEN function. The LEN function is a text function, and this function counts the number of characters. Okay, it doesn't count cells, it counts the number of characters in a given text string. And this counting includes spaces, numbers, symbols, and punctuation. So it's commonly used for data cleaning, text analysis, and of course validation. So the syntax is the function name, which is LEN. So you have equal sign LEN, and then you provide your text. So what does it do? What are the key features again? It counts character, including spaces and punctuations. It's useful for text validation and analysis. It can be combined with other text functions like left, right, mid, and even substitute. It works on both numbers and text. So you can use it to work with numbers, you can use it to work with text. Then it helps in checking for hidden spaces in text data. The LEN function is a simple but powerful function for working with text data in Excel. So now let's go into the Excel worksheet and see an example on the LEN. So we have these characters here. So we want to know what is the number of characters here. So we put equals LEN, and then we pick our text. We pick our text. Okay. So this showing 9. And what it means is that it's counting the space. So if I pull this down, you see that this shows 8, even though there are 7 characters here. So what you can do logically with this is just say -1, and that will exclude the spaces. So you can put equals LEN, the text, and then you put -1. So -1 allow the space in between to be subtracted, so that you will be able to know exactly how many characters in terms of the text you have. Okay. So let's see this. So this we put equals LEN, and then we provide the text, and this will count the numbers within the strings. So this says it has 9 numbers and that. So let's assume that we want to extract only the values that are 7, that has 7 numbers in this data. So we can say equals if LEN. So we provide LEN with the text, and then we will now say less or equals to 7. Then we can, so what should it do? It should return the text. But if you can't find it, then it should return empty string. So I'm using the LEN with the if function to extract only values that are up to 7 characters. As you can see, it gives me only the values that are up to 7 characters. So the LEN is, as much as you can use it alone, you can use it with other functions to even do some extensive things, okay, in Excel. Okay, so this is the LEN function. Just a simple understanding and usefulness of the function. So we'll come back again in another video and we'll look at another function. Bye for now.